description.
Well, hello, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I got one that I found at S-Mart, Shop Smart, Shop S-Mart. Ooh, that's rather warm. This is a collaboration between Sapporo Ichiban and Marutai. This is their original Hakata style Tonkotsu flavor ramen. This is made in Japan for the US market, and it does not contain any pork, which is a shame. But come on, Trump administration, let the pork come in. They know what to do with it. Okay. So, that's my politicalness for the episode. And now I'll reward you for dealing with that by letting you watch. Yes, you can watch the noodles cook for 3 minutes. What do you say, huh? There's a dog outside that wants in its place of living, and it's howling, and it coincided with me saying that. So this episode, I don't know what you watched for the last episode that came out yesterday. But, yeah. You're back on track. You're good. You're alright. You may go off track in like a week, though, because I don't know. I might get a little wacky. Because we've got a top 10 list coming out. The big global. And I want that to be the only YouTube video that comes out that day. I've got everything in such a chaotic haze. What I might do is I just might push them ahead. Like the ones that come after April 28th, or on the 28th, maybe just that week. I'll just shove that one out and not let anything else come out. Would that be bad of me? I don't know. No, I'll just let everything come out. I don't... yeah. All I know is I definitely have a video that's coming out on this at the same date and time as the top 10 list, and I gotta address that. I just don't want my top 10 to get buried. That's part of the deal with not coming out with it on Monday the 21st, because I don't want that to get buried in the Easter travel thing if people are cruising around or whatnot. And right now, it is the holiday Pesach. So, happy Pesach to my brother and everyone who... I don't know if non-Jewish people celebrate Pesach. It's also known as Passover. So, yeah. I was really thinking about it this year. If it didn't cost so much, I was really thinking, ooh! Maybe I guess that's a sign. So, quite a few years ago, they set up like this big menorah in downtown Kenmore, right? And I saw, it's like a mechanical menorah, but it was huge. And it would automatically light the candles and all that stuff. Well, there were these little domes that went on top of them, right? And I walked by and I saw them all over the place. A bunch of them were broken. I'm thinking somebody went and screwed the thing up. That's not cool. So I picked them up, brought them home, and then I looked them up, and it turns out that the menorah was set up by the Kirkland Chabad, which is like a, super Jewish organization. So I contacted them and I was like, yeah, so I found these things and I want to make sure you guys get them, and it just feels like somebody must have done something. And I had a meeting with the rabbi, and really nice guy. And what's funny, so funny, he knew my brother's kids, and he knew who my brother was. It's like, wow, what a trip. But yeah, small world. I don't know though, those guys seem to be really well connected. That is definitely a cool thing. That the community, the Jewish community, is really quite a fascinating thing to me. Wow, you guys are cool. You know, if I weren't an atheist, I would totally join, but it's just not for me. But I had a family member, I won't say who, not exceedingly immediate, but remember we went over there for dinner one time, and they were like, they said something, they were going off about atheists, and it was just like, I was just sitting there listening. I was like, I'm not gonna like rock the boat and like say some horrible thing like, oh yeah, well guess what, I'm an atheist, or anything like that. You know, I don't care, people are entitled to their opinion, sticks and stones, yada yada yada. The people are like so quick to get really bent out of shape about things. It's like, people say dumb things. If you haven't figured that out yet, I don't know what to tell you. Here's the noodle. God, I say a lot of dumb things. If you watch this show regularly, you know that. So, but yeah, here's the noodle. Excellent. Let's get you closer in here. What's going on here? Is this part of the seasoning that... That looks like a turd. I tend to frown upon having turds in my food. It's funny, it didn't... excuse me, it didn't seem to want to stir in, but that's better. I did use this pot for something earlier, but I rinsed it out really well. But sometimes stuff doesn't want to mix in right. Alright. Now let's try the broth that it's been ensconced. Look at that. Yes. That's 5-star Tonkotsu. You know what I had? You know what I had before I did this one? Totino's pizza ramen. I have that, and then I have this. This is actually ramen. That Totino's pizza ramen is pasta with tomato soup with pizza herbs in it. I mean, really, I don't know what else you would call it. It's definitely not ramen by a long shot. I mean, I get people who kid with me. I'll do stuff like tteokbokki, you know, like bulldog tteokbokki. Okay. Rice cake. Korean, right? Well, that's not ramen. So they'll be like, sir, that's not ramen. It's like, okay, yeah, I know. I'll say that right off the bat, too. But what's funny is that pizza ramen, that's so not ramen. I'll even say, dude, that's not ramen. It's like, my God. Alright. Let's get it on. So the first thing I'm going to slap in here, you might be like, oh my God, he's going to use one of those eggs. I decided against one of those eggs. I liked the packaging, and the image didn't show egg. Or did it? I don't remember, but I decided against egg. Chashu. Do I want to torch it? I do, but I don't, and I'm gonna not. Why? Why is this, Ramen Raider? Why are you not torching? Because I don't know. That's my deal right now. There's some scallion. We're gonna do a little bit of what do you call this stuff? Some chili crisp. This is like local grocery store chili crisp. It's a garlic one. Oh, you got gunk on you. Get off of there. You can do that. It's not bad. I don't know. I didn't know yet you were supposed to like refrigerate chashu, or not chashu, but chili crisp. Then people are like, "Oh, dude, yeah, you better do that. It has garlic in it. It can go rancid." I'm like, "Really?" Because I've been using the same jar and had it out on my counter for like months. Dude, you're playing with fire. I'm like, "Okay, all right." Oh, we do have more. Good. One last item. One small point. Here it comes. There you go. Guess what that is a reference to? You don't know? That's fine. Because I'm not going to tell you. Well, yeah, no egg on that package. Okay. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. I'm on Substack. I'm on Threads. I'm on YouTube. I'm on Facebook. I'm on X. I excrete every day. I'm on Pinterest. I'm on www.theramenraider.com and Blueski. Yep. All right. Enjoy. Have a good one. Peace out.